We have the 2016 BMW X5. This vehicle has done just over 72,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control, automatic wipers, and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access media, radio, smartphone integration, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. Using our mode button, we can switch between our different driving modes: Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.